Saan yung exit?
From DDF Garcia to SB19, I'm excited to join this giveaway and hopefully win an SB19 signed phone. Fingers crossed. Thank you ng Xiaomi Philippines. I want to use this phone. Sana sa wakas sa mula concert para mag-give up to mga members ko. Papala na enough makasecure ng ticket. So may mahalin na hope to see you soon again. Again.
So guys, you can come here, please.
Let's go.
Okay, here.
From Jen Pai. I'm an avid Xiaomi user and excited to see what the Redmi Note 15 series brings. As an SB19 fan, also a signed phone would mean a lot to me. Would mean a lot po. Especially today, my birthday. Mabuhay Xiaomi Philippines.
birthday!
Happy birthday, Jen! Happy birthday!
Okay.
Saan bang medyo mahaba? Galing kay Grace Cladera to SB19. I'll be honest, Mahalima. I was converted from a basher to a fan real quick. Basher!
Let's go.
Dati, hindi ko get some hype sa inyo, SB19. Pero ang hirap nyo palang hindi mahalin kapag nakita mo na ang talent at determinasyon nyo. Dadagdagan pa ng kulitan nyo at pagiging humble nyo. Your stories as an individual and as a group are truly inspiring. Nakain ko lahat ng sinabi ko noon at ngayon. I can sing na full-time 18 na ako simula ng pagtatag era. Proud of you, Pablo, Jostel, Ken, and Justin. Keep soaring. P.S. Sana makapunta ako sa Hong Kong concert nyo sa April 18. Sana dumating na rin yung LSD Bus at Onesie Shopping Mart. PPS. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro user here. Baka ito na ang sign for a phone upgrade.
Upgrade from hater to fan. Okay.
Oh, from Dasher to... Deserve mo ang bagong phone. Okay, from Christine, Joey, and Amarga. To my kuyas as B19, I hope you stay humble and kind. And as an 18, I will always support you until the end. Also, you're one of my inspiration to achieve my goals in life. Thank you, Xiaomi Philippines, for giving me this opportunity to give a message to SB19. Congratulations, Christine.
Congratulations. Okay.
And last but not the least, from Casey Mercado Razalan. Hello SB19, from 2024, winish ko na makita kayo at maka-hi, hello in person. Natupad yun dahil kay Ninang Xiaomi Philippines. SLFT po. Ngayon 2026, ang wish ko, mas klaro at tight and tough na pang-picture pag nakita tayo ulit. Hashtag Redmi Note 15 series.
All right. Okay.